Once upon a time, in a small village surrounded by tall mountains and lush forests, there was a girl named Luisa. She loved to gaze at the sky, especially on starry nights. One day, while watching the twinkling stars, something extraordinary happened. A shooting star streaked across the sky, leaving a trail of light. Luisa made a special wish. I want to see up close how the stars live and help one of them. That very night, while she was sleeping, Luisa was awakened by a soft light illuminating her room. It was a shimmering star named Luma, who had gotten lost on her journey through the sky. "Luisa, I need your help," said Luma, in a melodious voice. "I'm so far from home and I don't know how to get back." Luisa was excited and, with a sparkle in her eyes, replied, "Let's go together. I'll help you find your way back to the sky." Luma wrapped Luisa in her light, and in the blink of an eye, the two were floating above the village, high up, surrounded by bright stars. Luisa looked around, amazed by the beauty of the night sky. "Wow, it's all so beautiful," she exclaimed. Luma smiled, but soon her smile turned to worry. "I can't see the constellations, and I don't know which way to go." Determined to help, Luisa had an idea. "Let's ask the other star friends for help. If we all work together, we can do it." Together, they visited the stars that shone the brightest. Each one shared a tip on how to find the way back home. The first star, named Sirius, said, "Look to the east, follow the light of dawn, and you will find your way." The second star, Vega, added, "Follow the trail of light that shines the brightest each night. It always leads home." With the help of their new friends, Luisa and Luma began their journey. They floated through the sky, following the directions, and with each new constellation they encountered, Luisa learned more about the magic of the universe. She realized that the stars were not just points of light, but friends shining together. After a long journey, they arrived at a huge portal of light opening in the sky. "This is it. This is the way to my home," Luma shouted, filled with joy. But before entering, Luisa made a wish. "Please, never forget me and what we learned together." "I will never forget you, Luisa. You are a true friend," replied Luma, as she entered the portal, which closed with a bright glow. Luisa returned to her bed, her heart full of joy and a little bit of longing. But she knew she could always look up at the stars and remember her magical adventure. And so, every night, she made a wish: "May all the stars find their way back home, just as I helped Luma." And thus, Luisa learned that with friendship and collaboration, it is possible to reach even the stars. Moral of the story: true friendship and collaboration help us overcome challenges and achieve our goals. We should never give up on our dreams, for like the stars, they will always be there, ready to shine. Thank you for joining us on this magical adventure with Luisa and the star Luma. If you enjoyed the story, don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel, Luisa Creativa, for more enchanting stories like this. Until next time.